Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to walk you through another delicious homemade sauce. For this week's episode, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a homemade mango hot sauce. It's a very easy recipe and has a little bit of sweetness and spiciness, so let me show you how to make it. Round up a mortar and a pestle, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of chipotle chili powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of herbe de Provence. This will pulverize the herbe de Provence to help make a nice smooth sauce. Round up all of the rest of the ingredients and check the description for a list of all of the ingredients used for this recipe. Place a saute pan over medium to high heat and add 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters of a neutral oil of your choice. For this recipe, I'm using 5 red jalapeno peppers. The red jalapeno pepper is a mature version of the green. It's less spicy and has more of a sweet taste. Chop them up and add them to the oil whenever it's hot. You'll also add half of a sweet onion that's been diced. Top it off with 1 mango that's been peeled and diced. That should equal roughly about 2 cups or 200 grams. Give everything a quick mix. Sprinkle on the herbe de Provence, the chipotle chili powder, and the salt mixture. Occasionally stir and cook over medium to high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Snag some apple cider vinegar and add half of a cup or 125 milliliters. To that you'll add 3/4 of a cup or 188 milliliters of water. Squeeze a lime and add 1½ tablespoons or 23 milliliters. Give it a quick mix, put a lid on top, and bring it to a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, reduce the heat to low and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After the allotted cooking time, this is what you have. The fruit, the onions, the peppers, they've all softened up and dispersed their flavors into the liquid. Take the sauce off heat, put it to the side and let it slightly cool down. The next step in the mango hot sauce making process is to smooth it out by blending it. Add everything to the blender and give it a quick blitz until it's as smooth as you like. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. After a few minutes, check out the consistency and the texture of the sauce. If it's not as smooth as you like, you can blend it longer. If the sauce is too thick, you can always add more water or apple cider vinegar. If it's too thin to your taste, you can put it back on the stove and reduce it down until it's as thick as you like. I like my hot sauce recipes to be a touch smooth and not too thick. Give it a quick taste, see if you need to adjust the seasoning. Pour it into a glass jar, and then you're ready to dive in. And that's it, not too difficult, right? That's how you make a mango hot sauce. Now you have a delicious homemade hot sauce that you can put on tacos, chicken wings, eggs. You can even put it on popcorn, throw it on sandwiches, soups, or salads. You name it, you can put it on it. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you found this recipe helpful. If you did, hit that like button. And you know what? Hey, if you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. And remember, until next Saturday, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.